Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we have another video featuring our Lexus IS 500. I just got some WeatherTech mats in the mail. I ordered them from Amazon. They're going for like 200 bucks, and these are just the interior ones, so it doesn't include the one in the trunk. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing, and then we're gonna put them in the car and see how they fit and how they look. So looking at our current situation here, I mean, we have just your regular dust and dirt. So we're gonna try to clean this up real quick, see how that looks. And the back is also pretty dirty, man. My daughter's back here, so we got good dirt overall everywhere. Hopefully these mats make it a lot easier to clean up, but we'll see how this cleans up. All right, so I just opened up the box, and the only things in there were the floor mats and my receipt. So I actually paid 250 bucks for these guys. So I guess they're on sale now for 200 bucks, but when I got them, they were 250. But I took out the originals, you know, not too bad of condition, you know, a little bit used. They got 9,000 miles on them. But here's the WeatherTech ones, and they definitely look a lot nicer. They're also like a hard rubber, hard plastic, so they feel a lot more durable. And then obviously these are going to be a lot easier to clean and vacuum compared to the carpet, which everything gets stuck in there. This is just a nice solid waterproof plastic rubber material. So let's go ahead and put it in the car and see how it fits. Pretty simple. You're just going to throw it in there however it fits under the pedals. And then these little things, these little clips should line up perfectly. Then you just turn the clip. So there you have it, guys. We have it installed. We have it locked in place. And this fitment is really nice. Look how tight it is to the edges of the car. So we have underneath the brake pedal nice and covered. I still have the plastic on here, but this steel plate is pretty much covered. Look right here along this edge. Everything looks nice and tight, guys. This is some high quality stuff, man. I like this, but $250? I don't know about that. Here's the back ones installed. Again, nice and super sealed. And it has like these little lips in case I guess you spill something. It stays in there and you can just vacuum it up later. But yeah, this is nice. It's got this little gap here, but I'm sure that's fine. That'll settle with time and heat, but nice. I'm very content so far. Here's the passenger side installed, guys. Again, super tight seal everywhere, guys. This is some nice stuff right here. Look how perfect that seal is right out of the box, guys. So there you have it, guys. A nice quick video on the WeatherTech floor mats for the Lexus IS 500. So let me know what you guys think, man. Is it worth the $250 or 200? I think they're on sale now for 200 bucks. Is it worth the 200 bucks or 250 just to get the 4 floor mats for inside the Lexus? Because like I said, I believe the trunk mat is another $130. That's not part of this package. But here's a quick walk around of the Lexus IS 500, guys. I think this is the Vector Blue that they only had 150 made of, but I'm definitely happy with the WeatherTech mats and how snug they fit. Again, was the $250 worth it? I don't know, but I already paid for it, so who cares? We'll see how they last. They're definitely a lot better quality than the original ones that came with the car. But anyways, that's gonna do it for the video, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.